Step number 1. Come over to this list of the most motivational influencers on social media. Step 2. Copy any one of their names. Come over to YouTube and search their name plus motivational speech and go and look for one of their motivational speech videos. Right click, copy link on this video, come over to this website and paste this link. And this website will automatically generate between 10 and 20 short videos all ready for you to go and post on TikTok. Now, yes, this is 100% valid and legal to do. I want to show you an example of another page doing this, and they are absolutely killing it in terms of making money through automating TikTok and just copying and pasting and being a copycat on TikTok by using motivational speeches from different actors, different influencers around the world, and posting that regularly on TikTok. And they have built up their following basis to over 1.2 million followers on TikTok. And take a look at this. Here's a video of Ryan Reynolds. Here's another video of Arnold Schwarzenegger. Here's another video of Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. And all they're doing is they're finding quotes from movies, they're finding quotes from influential speeches from different actors and influencers, hence why this list over here is really going to help you tons in ideas and where to find these shorter videos. And all of these videos are automatically being generated by AI called Opus.pro. And what's really fantastic about this tool, it automatically edits this long speech or motivational video into 30-second to 1-minute long short videos with done for you captions, with done for you edits, already ready for you to go and post. You're not going to be creating any content of your own. All you're going to go and do is use AI to copy and paste and literally become a TikTok copycat, and you are 100% allowed to do this. Maybe one thing what I can recommend is in every single posts that you post on your TikTok is just simply leave in the comments or the caption credit to Andy Frisella on YouTube, for example. And you can just go and credit their Instagram, or you can go and credit their social media pages off of this influencer list over here, just so that you are giving them credit and you 100% are allowed to go and do this. You can start this with completely zero capital. You don't need fancy camera recording equipment, a microphone, editing software. You don't need any social media following whatsoever, because your social media following is already going to grow pretty quickly. And take a look at what the specific TikTok page is doing. Where they're making their money is not from the views itself, but they have what you call the Bolt Academy, which is their way of monetizing their page. So let me go and open up this link and show you what their entire Bolt Academy is about. So this program teaches creators how to turn views into money through social media strategies. If I click on join here today, it costs $30 a month. So every single person that signs up to their Bolt Motivation Academy, they're making $30 a month. And when you're getting videos that is getting 23 million, 13 million, 8.3 million, 32,000, 2.7 million, 1.8 million, I can promise you they are getting a decent amount of signups every single month, probably to the point where they're between 4 and 5 figures. Who knows, maybe the conversion rate is fantastic and they're making 6 figures plus every single month through content that they're just outsourcing and copying. And this is what today's video is going to be about. I'm going to teach you how you can go and do this step by step, rinse and repeat this, and replicate exactly what these guys are doing. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? My name is Jay. I'm a full-time online entrepreneur and prop firm trader from South Africa, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. If you guys want to get a personal message from me every time I upload my latest video, go down below to this YouTube channel, Millionaire Mindset, and subscribe with the red notification bell on so that I can do so. If you find value from my videos, please leave a like down below. I'd really appreciate that. And comment down below any other video topics that you'd like to see, whether that be affiliate marketing, trading automation, manual trading, servicing, e-com, creating dropshipping stores, finding high income skills to outsource around the world. Those are all sorts of topics that I talk about here on my YouTube channel. Comment down below, as it really helps me out to help you guys and to create epic content for you guys. But without further ado, let's get straight in today's video. Before we get started with step 1, firstly, big thank you to Bolt Motivation, this page that I'm using in the example of this video. Really fantastic job, as you guys are really growing nicely and you are a fantastic example of what other people can take influence on by creating a social media business for themselves on TikTok and on social media. This is not a sponsorship video. This is not a partnership video. I'm just freely talking about them because I genuinely think they are a fantastic example. So step number 1 is you want to come over to this website over here called influencersfeedspot.com, or you can simply come over to Google and just go and search the best motivational influencers. Go and click on enter, and over here you can click on the first link here. There's a bunch of other websites. I'm just going to stick with this one. And this website gives you a top 60 list of some of the most motivational influencers on social media. Here you will see at number 1, Gary Vaynerchuk, one of my favorites, Lewis Howes, Murray Follow, Brian Tracy, Tony Robbins, and I can scroll down and down and down. And there's so many different people that you can go and use. And all you simply want to go and do is copy any one of their names. So I'm going to go and use, let's keep with what we used in the intro, Andy Frisella, highlight his name, right click, or click Control-C on your keyboard. Come over to YouTube, simply paste his name and go and search after that, motivational speech. Click on enter, and let's go and open up this powerful motivational video over here. This video is a perfect type of format video that we can create into a short video speech like this. And you'll see over here, there's awesome stock video footage with him busy speaking over the video. So really fantastic example that we can go and use. All you need to go and do is copy the link of this YouTube video, come over to this website called opus.pro. Now this is a fantastic AI tool, which I've spoken about on my YouTube channel before. And what I really like about this, it's completely free to sign up. You don't need to pay anything. There's no hidden link where you've got to enter your credit card for like a 7-day free trial and then it debits you secretly after 7 days. There's none of that. It's completely free. So you can go and paste your link over here to this YouTube video. Go and click on get free clips. You do need to sign in with an account. Again, it's completely free. So I'm just going to sign in with my Google account. And once this is complete, this tool has generated account 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 different short videos that you can now go and download and first proofread yourself to make sure that you're happy with it. You can always touch up and re-edit some of the videos yourself. If you want to cut out some parts, you can also do that. But most of the time, this tool edits them really fantastically. I'm going to quickly play you this example and comment down below what you think this tool has created.
I never think, do I feel like doing this? David Goggins doesn't think, do I feel like doing this? Those people do not think, man, do I feel like doing this? They do the regardless. They do the things that they have to get done, no matter how they feel, no matter what's going on, no matter what it is that's distracting them. And in fact, when they're distracted, they take relief in the fact that the that they need to do gets done. I never think, do I...
Take a look at this one.
We live in this world where we value the idea of motivation. But however, you have to understand that while that thing might get you somewhere in the moment.
And as you can see, these videos have already been snippeted out to the most interesting and crucial parts of this video that is predicted to go viral on TikTok. Now, the best part about this tool, it's literally just created you 14 different videos, which gives you content for the next 2 weeks. And I literally did this on this video in the previous 3 minutes. I didn't have to go and script, record, or any editing or create these videos. AI did this for me in the last few minutes, which is really the power of what we have and the tools that we have at hand in today's era. And the reason why pages like this is growing up and blowing up and getting tons of sales. For all we know, this page could be run by some teenager somewhere in the world who's making 5 figures a month just through TikTok and through his academy, through his content that is reaching the right audience. So now what we can go and do is we can go and click on download in HD. Over here, you can see you can upgrade to the paid versions, but you'll already see this video has now downloaded to your PC. As a matter of fact, you can go and download all of these. And then all you need to go and do is go and create yourself a TikTok page. Now, I'm going to show you how you can do this from scratch with a really fantastic and eye-catching and candy eye brand for your page. The next website you want to come over to is called namelicks.com. Click on enter, and over here, you simply want to go and search motivation. Click on generate. Click on auto, click on next, just click on medium, click on next, and over here, click on generate. We don't need to fancy it up, we can keep it as is. In a couple of seconds, take a look at what this tool is going to do. It's going to generate you already done for you logo and an already done for you name for your TikTok page. And who's to say, you don't only have to use this on TikTok, you can use it on YouTube Shorts, you can use it on Facebook Reels, you can create an Instagram page 2-4 times your views over 4 different platforms. So over here we have Inspire Pulse, Bella Motivation, Mind Moments, Help Success, Motivate Me, Go Motivate, Positive Minds, Install Motion, Move Minds, Passion Fuel, Focus Bull, Uplift, Keep It Up, Secrets to Success. This is quite a cool one actually. So what you can go and do is you can go and use this name, go and create your TikTok page and name it Secret to Success. Now all you need left is a logo. Then step 3 of this video, we're going to create your product. So come over to a website called canva.com. Now that we have the name, we need a logo. Come over to the homepage and just go and search logo, click on enter. And let's go and use this one over here. Really nice and simple. Click on customize template. We can go and change this to Secrets to Success. Or if you really want to keep it simple, we can just go and do this. Secrets to Success. Just like that. Go and increase the size of this just to make it a bit bigger. Drag this down a bit. We have a really clean and simple designed logo for our Secrets to Success page. Click on share, click on download, click on download to PC. Now you have your logo, you have your content, you have your name, you're ready to go and create your TikTok page. All we need now is our product to go and make money from this page. And there's one of 2 ways that you can go and do this. There's the hard way, where you can go and create your own product. Now, the advantage of this is that you keep 100% of the commissions, or you can go and use an already existing affiliate product. That will be much easier because you don't have to invest money or time into creating the product. And most of the time, those affiliate products are already tailor-made for you as an affiliate. The disadvantage is you only keep anywhere between 40 and sometimes, if you're lucky, more than 50% of the commission per sale that you make. The best way to go and get an affiliate product for this specific strategy is either on wop.com or on clickbank.com. But don't worry, I'll teach you how you can use both of them. What I really like about wop.com compared to ClickBank, the products that are on wop.com are often monthly subscription active communities, such as trading communities, sports betting, more sports betting. You can see all of the categories up here. So over here, you can see there's life hacks, there's business, there's gaming, there's social media, SaaS, there's reselling. Let's have a look at ecom. And over here, you will see there is an entire Discord community called the FBA Roadmap, the complete guide to Amazon FBA. Now, what I really like about the affiliate program on wop.com, all you need to do is go and create a free account on the top right, sign in, also completely free, accepted worldwide in every country. And you can just go and copy the link of the specific page. And when you refer this link to somebody, you will get a 15% commission of the sale. Now, I know 15% doesn't sound like a lot, but what I like about the products on wop.com, they're very good quality, high quality products because the owners of this product are often very active with their community. Secondly, we can also use clickbank.com. Now, the fantastic thing about clickbank.com, the commissions are much higher. So we can also go and click on start here if you want to sign up, or you can go and click on login with your existing account. Once you've signed into your ClickBank account, it's going to take you to the ClickBank marketplace, very similarly to wop.com, where you can see all of the categories on the top of the menu bar over here. And simply because our product is about motivation and business speeches, we can come over to e-business and e-marketing because that's the type of audience that we're looking for. And the plus to this is also one of the highest selling niches, not only on ClickBank, but on the internet. Let's go and use the example of affiliate marketing and see if we can go and find an affiliate marketing academy or a course or a program. So over here we can see is an affiliate marketing training program. So let's go and open this up and see if we're happy with this. You can just click on the landing page over here and it will open it up in a free website that looks like this. And as you can see, this product, this program, or this course is already complete. This website is already done for you. You don't need to do any of this hard work yourself. So that's the fantastic thing about affiliate marketing. You skip all of that hard work of having to design and pay developers to make something like this for you. I'm not really happy with this landing page. I don't think it would convert very well. It's very boring and very bland. Let's go and have a look at this website over here called the Fast Tracks Top Converting High Ticket on ClickBank. And over here is a 3 simple step formula I used to earn $5,000 during lockdown by asking people simple yes and no questions on the internet. So this could be a fantastic program we can use. This looks like also a course about affiliate marketing. And the commissions are pretty solid. You're going to be earning $103 per sale that you make, and also $15 every single month on the reoccurring commissions. So this looks like a good product. I like the landing page. It's really aggressive, in your face, immediate sign up, register me for the free masterclass. And these are the type of products that do really well, because you can actually go and advertise this as a free market class and have that as an incentive for your viewers on TikTok to sign up to the paid product. As people love free stuff. When you can offer something for free, 9 times out of 10, people are going to take that free opportunity or that free value. So we can then come over back to ClickBank, click on promote of this product, click on generate hop link. Just enter your ClickBank name here that you'll enter on the sign up page. Click on generate hop link, and over here you can see is your unique affiliate link. To go and neaten this up, you can come over to a website called bitly.com. Click on the .com homepage website. We can go and sign in with our account. Click on create new, click on link. Over here, go and paste your destination URL, which is your ClickBank link. On the custom back half, we can go and type here, free ecom webinar course. We want to include free and ecom in our links so that people immediately know what this offer is about without even having to click on it yet. Go and click on create, and over here we can go and copy this link. Right click, copy link address, come over to your TikTok page and simply paste this in your bio. And all you want to type here is our free affiliate marketing and ecom webinar. And now all you need to go and do is go and post these videos on opusclip.pro once a day. The key to this and growing a TikTok page is going to be consistent. You'll see if I scroll back, I don't know how long they've been posting, but if I go way back to the beginning, I can promise you they were only getting a couple hundred views per video. But the key to what they've been doing is, and you can see here as a good example, they've been posting regularly for a long time. Here you can see videos back in the past, only 8,000 views, 7,000 views, 5,000, 7,000. So it started off slowly, but as they started to take off, today, they're now at 2.7 million, 1.8 million. Yes, there's 1 or 2 that don't blow up, which is completely normal. 4.4 million, 13 million, 8 million, 23 million, 130,000, 40,000, 2.8 million. All because they've been posting consistently every day. But the easiest part is, again, remember, you're not creating any of this content yourself. You're just copying and pasting already done for you speeches off of YouTube. And now that you also have a list of 60 different motivational speeches and speakers to get content from, to generate with this Opus AI Clip.pro, you're sorted for the next couple of years. And I'm talking about posting every day, hundreds and hundreds of clips for you to go and post on TikTok. Now, all I recommend you do is go and remain consistent at this. Use your page on TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels as well, and also YouTube Shorts to ultimately 4 times the amount of people that you can reach across 4 different platforms. So what I'm also going to do is to help you out in terms of making money online on TikTok and growing a social media based business without creating your own content on social media. I'm going to give you my entire free course here on YouTube. There's no upsell to some crazy affiliate product or $2,000 course. As you know, all my content is for free on YouTube. So I will leave a link to that free course down below in the description of this video. And I'll also leave a link up here to the playlist. And this video consists of about 50 different videos of different ways that you can create funnels on TikTok to get different traffic methods, different niches. For example, I often speak about the health and fitness niche, also a really great example to use the strategy in. I just like the motivation niche as it takes off really quickly. I find that the TikTok audience likes this type of content and it grows super fast. I've seen a lot of motivational pages early on blow up pretty quickly, which is why I'm giving you this opportunity in today's video. But what I recommend you do, guys, to end of this video, click on this playlist over here. It will help you out tons with the strategy. Take action, and I'll see you inside of this video.